everyone! Today I'm going to talking about how to install AmpCon Management Platform version 1.14.1 from start to finish. In this video, I'll show you two installation environments about AmpCon Management Platform. The first installation scenario: import AmpCon OVA using Virtual Machine VirtualBox. Before the installation, you should install VirtualBox in advance and copy the AmpCon OVA to your local machine. Double-click to import AmpCon OVA. Check the configuration and click the Finish button. Wait for the progress bar to complete. Import is complete. Click Settings. Verify the corresponding configuration of the virtual machine. Different users have different configurations. Specific parameters need to be configured according to actual needs. The above is only for reference. Click Start and wait for the virtual machine to finish booting. The second installation scenario: import AmpCon QCOW2 using Virtual Machine Virt Manager. Before the installation of AmpCon, you need to install Virt Manager first. After finishing the installation, execute Virt Manager and pop up the following interface. Import the virtual machine. Select Import Existing Disk Image and click Forward. Click Browse to choose the local IMG file. Choose the AmpCon image file and click Choose Volume. Click Forward. Adjust the virtual machine configuration as needed and click Forward. For the network, select Host Device ends 160, Mac vTap, and click Finish. Wait for the creation process to complete, which will automatically enter the virtual machine's serial console. Import is complete. The last installation scenario: installing AmpCon on the physical machine, CentOS 7.9. Before the installation, you need to install some dependent software. It will take about 3 minutes to complete the installation of these software. In addition to installing the above software, you also need to download the AmpCon install package to your desktop in advance and upload the install package to the CentOS 7.9 server. Generally, download the corresponding version of the installation package from the following website. Unzip the install package and execute the installation script. Execute the command in the root directory, and a new folder named Automation will be created in the root directory. Enter the Automation folder and execute the following command. The script will take some time to complete, so please be patient. The installation of the AmpCon server is now complete. Deploy. After installing, execute the system setup steps to configure network information for AmpCon server. Execute the following command. When the server calls system setup steps, the function to modify the fixed IP address, mask, and gateway may not take effect. However, AmpCon relies on the input IP address for configuration, so you still need to configure it here. If the IP address, mask, and gateway configuration is invalid, please set the CentOS interface manually. Verification. After finishing the network configuration, you can log into AmpCon and check the user interface. Open a web browser and enter the URL of the AmpCon server. Enter the username and password and click Login. Here you can see the user interface of AmpCon. So that was our video of AmpCon Management Platform version 1.14.1 install from start to finish. Welcome to visit the FS website to launch demo, explore its features, and test your network. Thank you.